Hello and welcome back to the channel. Good afternoon here from Europe. We have now 5 minutes to 3, 5 minutes to cash open in crude oil and 35 minutes to cash open for the US equities. Believe it or not, I took this video already before and I forgot to unmute my mic. I wasn't plugged in correctly, whatever. I did not have any sound. So the whole video was for the trash bin. But now back here, so I give you a very quick analysis, my analysis to focusing on S&P and crude oil. And if we forget about the other stuff, as I said in my first video, we are still basically trading in our big picture range in the S&P. Yesterday we had quite some fun day. I didn't get in a trade there. There would have been an opportunity here, but it was not really a setup of mine, so I didn't get in. So we had massive absorption here. There were buyers coming in, but some sellers were absorbing all the contracts and they pushed it down and back into the range, and we actually closed there. There was not even a chance of an opportunity here even later at the night, so I didn't bother. Opened flat in the night, pushed it down in the yellow zone, and now what we did here, the yellow line is the previous day low, so yesterday's low. So we went below it, accumulated here, retested it, and from now down. So basically we have now an intraday short context, but we are now on the bottom of our range, accumulating here. Not much big volume in there, of course, because the Americans are not there yet, hence we're waiting. And we had here some longer wicks here. We had this big blue candle, so the positive candle went back up. And we had 1, 2, 3 longer wicks. Looked as if it could be a rejection. But so far it didn't happen yet. So we wait really what the Americans are doing. So the idea now is if we see the rejection, we can trade this up. Awareness here of the point of control and maybe even the daily high. So we keep trading in this range. Or if we really stabilize below this and retesting the zone and take it then lower to the next range, the top of the next range, excuse me. So that's the ideas for the S&P today. That's all really. Let's quickly look in the footprint chart. It still looks quite boring. Volume is average, still okay. We're heading towards summer now, or basically almost in summer. So the volume is really getting thinner and thinner, and the markets are you really have to trade careful in these markets then, because they go on holidays as well, the traders. So let's get quickly into crude oil. A similar picture. So on Friday we looked, we're pushing this higher, but we're pushing back to our range that we put in here. So in the big picture, we have an overall long context, had a pullback, and now back to this range and basically trading in between that. So the idea is, I would hoping just for the consumers that oil would go lower, but it doesn't really look like it. The idea is now trading in these zones. If we get setups in these trading ranges, rejected the orange line here. That's the previous day low. Rejected it once, twice, 3 times. So we probably just had a setup here even. Could have taken that longer, but here we come now to the top of our range, the volume zone. And really, if you have these high volume nodes here and the big accumulation points here, if we establish above that and we see a setup, the next target would be here around the 120 to 121 zone. And only if we yeah, there's quite a lot of support on the lower side. So we see how that goes. But in the big picture, I see that longer. And yeah, that's basically it. So I had 2 losers yesterday. Was close to my daily loss limit. See this here? Yeah, there would have actually have a, no, there was, no, forget it. Not really a setup yet. So we just had cash open here. But I'll wait for the cash open of the Americans in half an hour. I'll leave it at that. So very short, quick video for the analysis. And yeah, by the way, I left my webcam off today to have more bandwidth and to have the files a bit smaller. And apart from that, I'm sitting here without a t-shirt because it's really hot today. And yeah, so this is it for now. And if you like this video, please, if you do, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And next to the subscription button, hit the bell so you get notifications as soon as I post the next video. If there's any trades coming up, I will post them later during the day or at the end of the day. Until then, I hope you like this. And as I said, give me a like, subscribe, and till I see you to the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.